Hi everyone, and thanks for checking out my channel, checking out on natural gas. So natural gas, I have not been switching my bearish view on that market for the coming weeks. I think we are still going to break lower and fill that gap at 2.15 US dollar. Reason is that we are still having that reversal pattern, inverted cup handle that did break the 270 level, and having a target that's definitely around just above $2. Now it's been resisting quite nicely actually over the past few days. As we can see, it's range bounded and did go back retesting 2.70. So that's on the back of some weather event that's actually pushing some cold into the month that wasn't expected. So of course the price has been supported by that. Can we have a chance to break higher than 2.72? I doubt it. Of course that's possible, but I think it's a low probability. So for now, I'll stick to the bearish scenario. We don't have an actually powerful divergence in place. Kind of loss of momentum if we look on the 4 hours here, as it is relatively weak, but it's not a proper divergence per se. But last time we got something similar here. It was also not diverging properly here, but it was kind of on the last spike, some loss of momentum. We don't have such a strong rejection here. This is some sort of an engulfing 4 hours, but it's not highly powerful. So it's not impossible that we could see another push to the upside, attempting to break the 270. If we look, the 1 hour doesn't actually help more. If we look here, I believe it is pretty much the same, only 4 hours. So it's not a sharp divergence, but it's definitely pointing for weak momentum to the upside, despite the spike we got end of last week. So definitely looking at holding my short position. They are running at small loss at the moment, and I will exit definitely should we actually break clearly above 270, as it would be too risky then, because the next one will be a retest of 3.15. Seems highly unlikely for that month in the year, but you never know, it could of course happen. If we look at the court report, for that period of time here, it was actually moving to the upside, but a rather narrow price range between 247 and 255, dropping open interest. So it's not actually very bullish. The swap dealers did actually edge against lower price, but the managed money did actually add long and reduce short. So they're still relatively neutral, holding a little bit more long. And yeah, we got some big short position from other funds, which is overall like looking quite neutral in my opinion for such a move. So it doesn't actually give much strength for what happened next. Of course we'll need to see the numbers for that move, but yeah, I'm not extremely concerned with that sort of positioning from the traders. So yeah, that'll be the plan. If I put that with some arrows, it could be another small attempt to push higher in the next coming days, potentially moving there, then rejecting once again and starting to retest again that 240 zone that's been tested twice. If we actually look closer, so that's only 4 hours, that's on the daily. I don't think it does show on the 4 hours. Just looking here, no, it doesn't show on the 4 hours, but I think on the daily we have a minor, very small bullish divergence that did actually show on the daily. It's not an ideal one. It is definitely an engulfing on that, but we didn't actually get a strong rejection at that level, and it's really narrowly lower than what we had before. So that's the reason why it doesn't show on the 4 hours and the 1 hour. But if we look at the target here, top of that move to the downside, it's 267. So we did kind of clear that divergence. Is it a reversal, reversing divergence somehow? I doubt it, just because of the time of the year. It seems quite unlikely that the trader would actually be massively bullish in the coming weeks before we actually enter summer and the cyclonic season that will put some concern about the projection level. So yeah, that's about it for natural gas. I wish you safe trading for next week, and I speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.